Now, one of the reasons why we did such a big haul this week is because our shelves in our fridge are pretty much depleted. There is really just condiments left and a few leftover items, but our shelves are pretty bare and they are pretty much empty. Our cheese bin is very low. I don't even see any cheese in there except goat cheese. And we don't have as much produce. There is a couple of items here, but really at the end of that purge week we had where we made all the meals I planned from everything in the fridge. And so that's why now we have this big haul delivered from Sam's and Walmart, and we're going to go through everything right now. All right, starting with our produce, I got 1 zucchini, a red onion, a red bell pepper, 3 Roma tomatoes, as well as the grape, or actually these are the grape tomatoes, and then 4 avocados. And then this time I wanted some edamame. I got the shelled, this is frozen, the shelled and the ones in the shell. So I got 2 varieties of edamame, our weekly 2 bags of cauliflower florets. This is something new I wanted to try, veggie fries, zucchini, garlic, and Parmesan. I thought that would be a great side dish. And then we got some heads of broccoli. We always get that. Another sweet potato, our 18 eggs for the week. We got some more bacon, and then I also got some Brussels sprouts, as well as fresh white mushrooms, some romaine lettuce for our salads, as well as a head of regular lettuce for our salads. And then we got more cottage cheese. I got 2 containers of this because we're really enjoying, especially this brand we really like as a family. Everybody's upping their protein. So we got 2 containers of that. I did get this little quick item, these white meat chicken egg rolls for a quick meal in the air fryer. I did pick up some deli meat, some turkey, and then our cheese. We were low on cheese, so I had to stock up. We got a block of the medium cheddar cheese. I got some Havarti for something different, triple cheddar shredded, and some sliced Swiss cheese. For one of our dinners, we're going to be making some mahi-mahi. I thought that was just different. It just sounded really good. These are wild caught fillets, skinless, and those are frozen, so we can keep them as long as we need until we're ready. Love that. Oh, and also some feta cheese to go with our dishes. I needed some more brown sugar, some more baking soda, some more vanilla, all for baking. Did get some more Kewpie mayonnaise, and we got a big old jar of the Frank's Red Hot sauce. It is grill season, and that's one of our go-tos. We did get some olives, the stuffed olives for salads. We needed more jarred garlic, minced garlic. And then we also got a lot of items from Sam's. We really went with our protein options from Sam's. We really like it. It's a little bit cheaper when you get it in bulk. So we got a big thing of chicken tenderloins. That's our go-to every week. My husband marinates those. We grill those. So good. Chicken thighs as well. That's another go-to. We eat a lot of chicken thighs. And then grill season chicken wings. So we're going to have a good amount of chicken wings. And these usually come in a pack of 4, so you can go ahead and freeze half of them till you're ready. And then check this out. This is the whole reason it started to make us do a delivery from Sam's, was because we were craving some ribeyes. We love ribeyes, and they were super expensive at Walmart. So get them in bulk, and they're a little bit, I can't say they're really cheap, but they are a little more reasonable there at Sam's. And so when you get them in bulk, and they just look beautiful. We're going to love having those on the grill. Okay, so also from Sam's, we picked up smoked salmon. We really like their brand, and they always have such a generous portion, much better than what is offered at Walmart. And then I did pick up some low-carb tortillas to make like fish tacos and all different things and wraps and lots of yummy lunches. And then I bought some sun chips to go with those lunches, as well as some pistachios. These are the no-shell variety packs, and I thought they'd be great because it's portion controlled and it's really easy and convenient on the go. So that's our haul. You can see just a lot of produce, a lot of protein. So we're going to be grilling up things, making up a lot of yummy meals this week. We still have some items even left in the freezer. So let's go through that menu and everything planned for the week. Let's start by erasing everything. And we start with a new slate. All right, here's our new menu of the week. We're gonna make the ribeyes with those Brussels sprouts, shrimp tacos, so we moved them to this week, or fajitas with red pepper, onions, cheese, avocados, all the fixings. Chicken thighs, I think I'm leaning Greek this week, and we're gonna have it with feta, olives, red onions. We have chicken tenders that my husband will marinate. We have a lot of those, either chicken Caesar wraps, or we'll just eat those with salad or a vegetable. He usually just grills those. Smoked pork belly, this is my son, he's gonna smoke that for us this week. I'm thinking a broccoli cold salad with that would be really good. And then tuna poke bowls. I have that edamame, cucumbers, either rice or quinoa to go with that. We'll do a nice Kewpie mayo with a little bit of heat with that and a little bit of soy sauce. That'll be really, really good. All right, just keep in mind for some breakfast, I have sausage and egg, smoked salmon, yogurt fruit smoothie, and then just some vegetables to keep in mind. The romaine lettuce, which I think I have a purpose for with the chicken tenders. We have some miscellaneous fresh herbs. We have some more scallions, and we have a bag of coleslaw. So just trying to keep that fresh of mind, but that's our menu and the plan for the week. I would love to hear what you're making on the grill. If you grill over the holiday weekend, please share in the comments all your favorites. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.